Pretty busy day today. Got to get a few things for some upcoming art projects. Mother's Day is coming up, as well as one of my friends is having a graduation, so I want to make him something artsy because he's a nerd like me. So the first stop is to get something from Lowe's. Lowe's is where I'm getting the materials for the Mother's Day project, and my mom said she doesn't want anything but a snake plant. How I'm gonna turn that into an art piece, I honestly don't know, but that's what I got to figure out. And after I leave here, I got to head over to Party City to get some items to figure out what I'm gonna do for this graduation art piece. Y'all have snake plants?
Snake plants?
Yeah.
Does not ring a bell. I have to look it up. Oh yeah, we have those. Oh. That's right. No, yeah, I remember that name now. Once you enter the store, there'll be a bunch of house plants on the left side. It should be pretty visible from there.
Appreciate it. Looks like I'm walking through Poison Ivy's garden right now. All right, I got 3 to choose from. This one's nice. I just don't like how this is hanging off to the side. Not bad either, but again, it's not going straight up. This one's going straight up. Plus we got some little mushroom friends. The only thing about this one is those edges, but I think I might get this one. All right, we're going with the one with the little mushroom friends. Let's go check out. Got that bad boy secured in the back seat. I'm using Apple Pay to pay for this, right? And I get up to the front, 3% battery. Don't know what's going on my phone and why it's draining battery so fast. But anyway, get to the front, the guy's like, oh, excuse me for a second. You know, you have to like bust open those quarters and those nickels and dimes. So he's trying to unroll that to load his registering. And I was like, if you don't hurry up, I'm gonna have to run outside and get my wallet. But luckily, with 2%, I was able to pay for that flower or that snake plant. Now to go to my next store and get the next thing I need, which is Party City. Now my friend's favorite superhero is the Flash, and of all stores, I thought Party City should have something that I could use for his graduation gift. Well, see, they have the Flash displayed in here, but they don't have none of his stuff. False advertisement. Well, apparently he has a mask in here, so maybe we could use that. I think I'm gonna get this. So I got these 2 things. I got the balloon and I got this mask set. I have an idea of what I want to make. I just don't know if it's gonna actually look good. So let's get to the arcade and see what we can do. All right, so now that we're back home, we can get started on making some art. I think I'm gonna start with the graduation stuff first because I think that'll be the easiest, and it'll then give me some time to figure out what I want to do with that plant. I have an idea. I just don't know, but let's start with this. So the idea I have for the balloon is pretty simple. He likes the Flash, so I think what I'm gonna do is just put a Flash drawing right here on this side of the balloon, and that'll pretty much be that. Something simple, nothing too crazy. And out of these, we'll figure out how to make a congratulations card. If there's even a Flash in here. I hope there's a Flash in here. The first thing I tackled was the balloon because I needed some time to figure out what I was really gonna do for those other art projects. I first used this white Posca marker to mark out exactly where I wanted the character to be. Then I went in with an acrylic pen and put in all of the character detail. And from there, it was pretty much just coloring the Flash in with a few effects here and there to really make it pop. I can't tell you how sick that looks. So now that we have that awesome balloon done, we're gonna tackle making the greeting card. This is Aquaman and this is Superman. I can see Batman's ears, so let's see if the Flash is even in here. It shows it at the top, so he should be. Who we got? Superman. Batman. We got 2 Flashes. That looks weird, but that looks better. All right, so what I'm thinking of this is like a greeting card. We got both of these, and if we put them back to back, right, it would open like a greeting card. So we're gonna have to do something about the eyes, obviously get rid of this thing here, and I have some heavyweight paper that I can put on the back of this. This might work. If not, we'll just scrap it and go buy him one. Don't you guys just hate having art friends? They're always trying to make you shit. So right now, I'm just marking out where the eyes are supposed to be. We're gonna have to draw those in. Hopefully this looks decent. And then we can make it into a card. So I tweaked the design a little bit. Instead of having a double-sided Flash card, I thought I would just do the front as the Flash's full face. Then I would attach this to an actual greeting card or graduation card rather. That way I wouldn't have to draw 2 of these eyes, because my biggest concern was making the skin tones match. But luckily I had bought some Posca markers a few months back that had a pretty good skin color tone in there, and I think it actually did the trick. Just to better merge this illusion, I went ahead and removed the inner corners of the mask. That way those skin tones wouldn't be directly competing with my skin tones. And then with a little Mod Podge, I attached the mask right onto that heavy cardstock. Now this won't be the card I'm gonna give him. Since I'm tweaking the design, I'm gonna have to go out and get another one, but we get the idea. It's so funny, the things you think are going to be very simple seem to take a lot more time. But I'm very happy with the way this came out. That's so cool. To give him this flash card along with this flash balloon. So he's all set. He's good to go. So as far as the graduation part of this goes, we're done. Now we got to work on something for Mother's Day. All right, I'm back. Had to get a quick intermission because I was starving. But now we can work on this Mother's Day project. So I'm thinking with this canvas and this plant, what I'm going to do is use this to kind of frame it. Right? As you guys can see, this kind of looks like a vase, right? So I'm thinking about painting a vase right here where the flowers or the snake plant is coming out the top and kind of give it the illusion that it's sitting on the table. So that's kind of what I'm going to paint. I mean, because that's not the best looking. I don't even know if she wanted it this big, but that's what she's going to get. It's going to be something very simple. She'll get her plant. She'll get some cool art, and I think that's gonna look pretty nice. Now, this wasn't my original idea, but I still think this is gonna work because ultimately she just wanted the plant, but I think it's gonna be cool when she sees this painting. She's actually getting into art herself, so I know she's gonna appreciate this too. I first started by lining up the design to the width of the plant. Then took a moment to refine the sketch just to see how all this was gonna look laid out. All right, so that's the sketch of the planter pot that I'm gonna be painting. So let's see what it looks like when it's all said and done. I'm trying not to be too heavy-handed as I use these acrylics like a watercolor wash on this. There's some areas I'm probably gonna have to go in just to correct some things, but so far it's looking pretty good. All right, so I want to show you guys what this looks like all put together. It's pretty trippy, but how cool is that? Like, that looks like a planter. I did pretty good, I have to say so myself. What a long day of painting and creating. This turned out amazing, as well as the graduation items over here. So I'm gonna have to upload this video after that because it's graduation, then it's Mother's Day, so I don't want them to see what I got them. So this will be uploaded probably on Mother's Day or after Mother's Day. These also turned out really cool. I really hope he likes them. His graduation is like in 3 days, but I'm just happy that I got these projects done. I've been really slacking in the art department, so it feels good to be back in the studio making some videos for you guys and knocking out some projects. Let me know what you guys thought about the planter pot picture, and also what you thought about these customized flash gift items that I'm gonna be giving to my friend. I'm about to go get rest up and start thinking about the next video. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you like what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments down below again, and let me know what you thought of each one of these projects. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.